Hey guys, are you want to buy best RV battery chargers? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best RV battery chargers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Sooner Power Waterproof Solar Battery Charger. This 12V solar panel battery charger stands out thanks to its ultra-smart MPPT technology, delivering an impressive 99% tracking efficiency and up to 98% conversion efficiency. Compared to traditional solar chargers, it boosts energy utilization by 20 to 30%, making it a highly efficient choice for maintaining battery power. The improved 3-stage charging system, bulk, absorption, and float, ensures safer, more effective charging while extending overall battery life. It's fully automatic, stopping when the battery is full and restarting when needed, offering true maintenance-free convenience. Safety is clearly a priority, with protections against overcharge, overdischarge, short circuit, reverse polarity, overload, overcurrent, and high temperature. Its waterproof and spark-proof design adds even more reliability. Compatibility is another strong point. This solar charger works with a wide range of 12V batteries, including sealed lead-acid, AGM, GL, SLA, Deep Cycle, and even LiFePO4. Whether it's for cars, boats, RVs, motorcycles, tractors, or power sports equipment, it delivers dependable performance. Overall, this MPPT solar charger is efficient, safe, and ideal for anyone wanting worry-free battery maintenance year-round. Now our second product is Yunhon Battery Charger. This 20A LiFePO4 and lead-acid battery charger is a powerful and reliable solution for maintaining and reviving a wide range of 12V and 24V batteries. Compared to standard 6A or 10A chargers, it works significantly faster and supports multiple battery types, including AGM, GL, EFB, SLA, flooded, and deep cycle units. It's ideal for vehicles like cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, ATVs, lawn mowers, and more. The Smart Winter Holiday Trickle charging feature is especially useful, automatically adjusting its performance based on temperature to prevent battery drain during cold weather or long storage. With built-in protections, overcurrent, overcharge, reverse polarity, short circuit, and a cooling system, you can charge with confidence. The high-efficiency pulse repair mode is a great bonus for bringing old or idle batteries back to life, and the charger automatically switches to float mode when fully charged. The large LCD screen is bright and easy to read, making monitoring simple. Overall, this 3-in-1 charger is a dependable, safe, and must-have accessory for keeping your vehicle batteries healthy all year round. Our third product is Noco Smart Battery Charger. The Genius One is an impressive all-in-one battery charger that outshines its predecessor, the G750, by being 35% smaller while delivering over 35% more power. It's designed to charge, maintain, and restore 6V and 12V lead-acid, AGM, GEL, SLA, VRLA, and lithium-ion, LiFePO4, batteries, making it ideal for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, motorcycles, RVs, boats, ATVs, tractors, and more. Precision is a key feature. The integrated thermal sensor adjusts the charge based on ambient temperature, preventing overcharging in hot conditions and undercharging in cold, ensuring batteries perform at their best. Genius One can even charge deeply discharged batteries from 1V or 0 volts in force mode, making it perfect for neglected or dead batteries. Beyond charging, it restores battery health using precision pulse technology to reverse sulfation and acid stratification, extending battery lifespan. Its smart maintenance mode allows safe, indefinite connection for worry-free upkeep. Compact, versatile, and backed by a 3-year warranty, the Genius One is a reliable, high-performance solution for anyone looking to keep their batteries fully charged, healthy, and long-lasting. Now number 4, Motopower Automatic Battery Charger. This all-in-one battery charger is a versatile solution for keeping 12V lead-acid batteries in peak condition. It functions as a charger, maintainer, trickle charger, and desulfator, making it ideal for flooded or sealed maintenance-free batteries, including AGM and GEL types. ETL safety listing ensures reliability and peace of mind. The automatic desulfation and optimization feature is a standout, detecting sulfation issues and applying pulse current technology to restore battery efficiency without any manual input. It improves battery performance while charging, prolonging battery life and reducing the need for replacements. Energy-saving design ensures zero output in standby mode, preventing battery drain. Spark-proof connections enhance safety during operation. Multi-level protections against overcharge, short-circuit, and reverse polarity are built in, and the 24-hour timer intelligently switches the charger to maintenance mode once the battery reaches optimal voltage, preventing overcharging and gassing. Operation is simple: just plug in, connect, and let the charger automatically manage charging and desulfation. Reliable, safe, and convenient, this charger is perfect for extending battery life and keeping all your 12V lead-acid batteries fully charged. And our last choice is Lesterton Trickle Battery Charger. This 2-in-1 battery charger and maintainer is a versatile, all-in-one solution for 12V batteries. It supports lead-acid types, including flooded, AGM, GL, SLA, and VRLA, and also charges 12V LiFePO4 batteries with BMS. Perfect for cars, motorcycles, boats, RVs, scooters, lawn mowers, snowmobiles, tractors, and other deep cycle applications. It's designed for charging, maintaining, and even repairing batteries efficiently. Safety is a top priority, with multi-protection features including reverse polarity, short circuit, overvoltage, overcurrent, overload, and overheat protection. Spark-proof lead connections and a water and dust-resistant design enhance reliability. An integrated thermal sensor automatically adjusts charging to prevent overcharging in hot climates and undercharging in cold climates. The 8-foot total cable length with detachable alligator and ring connectors, combined with automatic float mode, makes setup easy and worry-free. The low-voltage repair function restores weak lead-acid batteries when above 4V. Trusted by over 500,000 users, lightweight, and backed by a 3-year warranty, this smart charger offers dependable performance, convenient storage, and peace of mind for all your battery maintenance needs. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.